Good morning people. So I'm currently in Playa Blanca in Lanzarote. I've actually been here for 8 days. Wasn't actually gonna make a video here, but I thought why not? Show you what you can actually do on this coast of the island. Yes, we came here in November last year, but we stayed up the other end of the island in Costa de Geese. And we actually come here for a day trip. And there's actually a few mountains around here and a few beaches and stuff. Good things to explore down this end, so we decided to come back this year. Been staying in this new hotel, the Barcelo. Lovely pool, nice view, Fuerteventura over there. But yeah, I'll show you outside because you can see the mountain from the hotel. Yeah, so that's after the reason we actually came here. We climbed up that the other day, on Wednesday. Unbelievable, man. So yeah, as you can see there, we're very close to some mountains. This side of the island's lovely, man. So I thought, why not film it and show you what I got up to. And I'll see you back in the UK in the next video after this. Take it easy. Right people, this morning we're heading up this little beast here, the Red Mountain. Less than 200 metres, so whether you class it as a mountain I don't think so, but yeah, you can see. So we've actually come from where the water turns in here. Our hotel's around that area by the marina, and we've walked about 3 miles to get here. And we're heading up and over the summit, and behind this mountain is a place called the Ghost Hotel, probably about another 40-50 minutes. And it's a hotel they built years ago here, and now it's basically derelict, and there's natural swimming pools around here with like crabs and stuff. So we're going to head over to there after we've done this, and that's probably going to take us around maybe 12-13 mile round trip. And although you can see it's pretty cloudy, it's still boiling, man. The only thing is it's strong winds today, so probably just get up there as quick as and come back down. Coming from street level up to here, the wind's really picked up. So we're going to head up this mountain towards the end of the week. We can basically ascend it from the back of our hotel. That's a big day out, but that's in the 500s I think, and as you can see over there it's quite barren. So we might pass up from the corner up to the summit and back down. There, yeah, probably takes another 10-15 up to the top of this. And in the background over there you can just see Fuerteventura. When it's not cloudy, that's really clear, so you get a nice view from our hotel. But we'll carry on heading up here. So we actually didn't realise on the map it's a crater. There's loads of these in Lanzarote. Nice little view that, man. See the coastline over there, that's just come into sight. Hey, that was a pleasant surprise anyway. The little path running through. Saying the summit's around this section in the middle somewhere, it must be up there. Oh yeah, you can see there's a summit cairn, a white one. And then we're going to be passing off the back as far as I'm aware. Something different, mate, you don't see this in the UK. Fantastic views over there. See the Ghost Hotel there in the distance. This land's barren, mate. See they're doing a bit of construction there, whatever, digging stuff. I don't know where this building's active, probably is. Looks like maybe a gas station or something. You've got the town there, but the Ghost Hotel just in the distance. Looks quite far away, but it's only a few miles. But up on that summit, man, it was windy. They'd come off the sides, getting pushed in the wind, it was that bad. It says it's about 45 kilometres today. me there where we've just been up. That's just took us about an hour on the flat. And we road walked for about 40 minutes, but that wind hasn't let up. We walked for about 30-40 minutes down the road and we've just cut across. As you can see, we're here, the Ghost Hotel. And there's actually a car park here with a few people. You can see this side's collapsed completely. They might have started bulldozing it and then stopped. Wouldn't make sense otherwise. Tell you what, there was mattresses everywhere and stuff like that, so people must stay here. You probably expect that, like, if there's any homeless people over here. But they're in a nice hotel, this as well. You literally got the sea there. Whoa, there's like a basement down there. You see it as being like a bathroom, tiles and that. Yeah, it's literally just the same room over and over again. You can find a staircase. There's a nice view of mountains as well. See there, he's installed pipework and cabling and stuff. I'm being ripped out though. I think someone's been living in this one. Yeah, it's got a door and everything. Oh my god. You can see they've built a wooden frame and a door. Fair play. Oh my god. Yeah, he's got a cooker in as well. Got a stove and everything here. Try painting it. Yeah, you can see here, people must be living in these ones. Yeah, it's quite clean inside that. Ashtray and everything. It's got loads of chairs. I'm not going to go in there. Yeah, that one's got a tile floor and everything. A door. Yeah, some guy just turns up on a bike then. And he was looking at me very suspiciously and I think he was living in one of them. And he's got off though to have walked away. But they've got a bit of resources there and made little houses or whatever, but at least someone's using it for something useful. Yeah, so I think this guy, he lives in them. He's got loads of stuff with him on his bike, like you'd have if you were homeless. I think he's got an alright little life out here, to be honest. Looks like he might be doing a bit of fishing now in this area. And look at the sea man in front here. Would have been a great little hotel that, but yeah, what you do? At least someone's using it for something anyway. So you've got these natural pools in front of the Ghost Hotel. That people come here and swim in them. Apparently there's a lot of crabs around here. But you can see the water's very choppy today, just due to the fact it's very windy. I'd like to get down and see if I can find any of these crabs. I think I might give the swimming a miss, to be honest. It's flooding, it's flooding. You can just see that wave has just come in and flooded it. Tom's actually just okay on one rock. These two have just got soaked. It's coming in again, just step it. You can see it's coming in over the rocks. That would be good to swim in, but I don't know, man, I don't fancy it. I think I'll struggle to get out. Here's those crabs we were talking about. Oh, it's big, that. Big red beast. Right there, choppy waves then. Look how big some of them crabs are. Some absolute massive ones there. Probably got myself stuck in this pool, like. I'm half thinking about going swimming, but do you know what, them crabs scare me, man. I don't want to swim near them. Because they are absolutely giant. Yeah, I've seen a few fish in there. It's good though, innit? I've actually just got myself across the rocks here and you can see them all scattering. Oh, you can hear them everywhere. Gangs of them here, man. Wow, they're everywhere. What size of that one there running? And all coming down that wall and everything. See them all on the wall here. That's so good, that, man. Yeah, that one's actually not scared there as well. Oh. Mate, they're absolutely everywhere. I've literally had to do some rock climbing up here then. All this filled with water, so all my stepping stones back were gone. Honestly, man, that's to channel me in a crab there. Yeah, but I'm out anyway. I can't go swimming if them beasts in there. They probably don't even look that big on camera either. And they are. It's mad, innit? Not scared to walk up any mountain, but they terrify me. That was good to go and look at anyway, the hotel and the little pools. And you see there where we come from on the mountain behind. And there's a lighthouse there in the distance. We're going to head to this and then walk back towards our hotel across the coastline down there. But as you can see, it's barren here, man. It's all volcanic rock and all that. But obviously they built a little town on the corner and then it's a bit desolate for a while before the next town, like Playa Blanca. But some good stuff here to explore. A lot of people just come on holiday to places like Lanzarote and sit in a hotel and have a beer and that, but you can actually get out and do stuff. And we've been out for about 3 or 4 hours, so it's not been a massively long day. And yeah, we'll be back for about 4 or 5 o'clock anyway, so good to get out and explore the place. That's pretty nice as well. Mad little gaff here. Wonder what the score is with that. He's built himself a nice basic house, man, in the middle of nowhere. Got a view out the window as well. Unbelievable. Saza's camper van, man. Camoed up. Yeah, he's turned an old coach into a camper, it looks like. You can just see in this area here, they've started building like buildings everywhere and then just stopped. Here's your lighthouse. Obviously it's locked up and stuff and being graffitied. Got a good few miles back to the town now, so I'm just going to head down the coast. There's a few paths on maps that leads to it. Hi people, good morning. So today we're heading up Hacha Grande. this beast on the left, 562 metres. There's actually two summits. There's a smaller version of it here, but we're going to ascend through the valley. There's a zigzag path and it goes up. Later on we're actually going to go up this. So the weather forecast today, it's in and out of clouds, so it's probably the most ideal out of the days we've got left here. But as always in Lanzarote, it's windy again, man. Although the winds are moderate today. Just one of those places that's windy all the time. We're just going to have to see how it is up there. As you can hear now, I'm out in the open and the wind's picking up. And yeah, it's quite bad out here. We're heading through the middle here and up. We've probably been walking for about 30 minutes from the hotel. Shouldn't be a massively long day. Just going to ascend as quick as. Got a few bottles of water in the bag. And you can see there is a couple of cars coming past here, so there's a road running through the middle down to that side of the island. And that down there is where all the good beaches are. And we probably head there tomorrow. But yeah, we did actually walk all the way that way the other day and to the ghost hotel in the distance. But we're situated over on the left, so we're in a good location. Just here, a couple of houses being built right below the mountain. You can see where we've come from. We've come up quite a bit already, like. Wouldn't be such a bad life living out here. And we're heading up the path. It looks quite wide actually. And yeah, summit's up there. That's the other mountain, smaller one. So we've been walking about 40-50 minutes. So you can see all the way in the distance the lighthouse we went to the other day. The mountain, and you could probably round the bend to the ghost hotel. But once we get up to the summit, you'll be able to see the other side of the island. But yeah, it's a good little hike this, man. You can see the people from their houses leaving now. Nice little experience this one. Being a bit desolate. But you can feel the heat picking up now because we're getting higher up. Probably at about 200, 250 metres maybe. But I think the summit's going to be over the top of that. But yeah, there's a bit of clouds anyway, so that'll do for a bit. And yeah, because we're in a bit of a bowl, the wind's died down, which is a positive. Still got about 300 metres of ascent left. Oh, it's just uphill from here, but it's been a nice walk. See where we've come from. It feels weird when you're down there walking because you can't see all the zigzags and stuff, but looks good from here. And here's the other summit there, the smaller one. Nice bit of cloud coverage this morning, so it's quite cool at the moment. A couple of days this week it's been mega hot and sunny all day. It wouldn't have been great to walk in. Got a bit of scrambling on this section. Nearly up to summer. You gotta go view these ones now. Yeah, so I thought this was going to be the summer. Oh, I've got a bit more to go. Looks like a bit of a ridge line, to be honest. Actually, I don't know. Maybe from here. Looks skinnier than it is. The sun's poking through the clouds. Starting to drip down me the sweat. It's like a mini sharp edge, this. Oh, hey. Wonder what that noise is. Might be road noise. Yeah, it reminds me of sharp edge and I like this, like this. It's just a bit wider. You can see all the volcanic rock. It's good though, man. And something must just be over the top of that. You gotta be careful of them sneaky fellas if you're not keeping your eye out. Sometimes I just walk and I'm just minding my own business and you forget to look ahead of you. There you go, you wouldn't want to put your hand on one of them. Sharp. Big boy. Wow, look at this, man. See into the distance. Unbelievable. Ah, mate, class. Hey, mate. Pelter. Yeah, a bit around him, that geezer sitting there. He's getting his head down. Yeah, you can see we come from there. You see the hotel right in the centre where my finger is, at the very back where I say. Come through here, up the zigzag path. Nice little respectable mountain, that, to be fair. The views on this side. Yeah, you got like a ridge line that carries on into the other mountains. Unbelievable, mate. Oh, it's choppy there, all the wind. Bit of a weird one. I don't even know whether he like lives up here or something. Yeah, anyway, that's Hacha Grande, 562 metres, and I'm gonna head down. He's making it a bit awkward there, like looks like he wants to get some kip or something. So I'm just gonna head down where I came from, and tomorrow we're gonna go to that corner beach in the cove called Papagayo. You can see on this one the water's like crystal. And you can walk down, that takes about an hour and a half. We went there last year and it's fantastic. You can just see where the sailboats are, a lot of them parked down there. Yeah, it's actually Dom's birthday tomorrow, so we're going to head there for it. Gonna start heading down now before this wind picks up. But yeah, belted up here, man. I'm happy with that one. Oh. Yeah, as you would have just heard there, that wind started to pick up. Yeah, it said 1 hour 40 and outdoor active it said 2:25, so it took like 40 odd minutes off the total. But yeah, that was on the best summit I've been on, to be fair. Belted day for it. So just coming down, having a look at the scenery. So you would have seen where we actually walked the other day, so the hotel, as I said, was there. We summited this mountain, the Red Mountain it's called, and we come off. And there's the ghost hotel right in the distance. You might be able to see it, lit up now by the sun, and there's a boat behind it. We went to the ghost hotel and we come all the way down the coastline to the Lighthouse. You can just about make the Lighthouse out now. And then we come from the Lighthouse all the way down the coast. And we end up having a few beers watching the England match before going back to the hotel. So we've actually walked the whole coastline in essence, after I'd done that last year. The reason we actually decided to come here, because when we came to Lanzarote last year, we stayed up the other end in Costa de Geese and we got a bus down here. And when we found out there was actually a bit of mountaineering to do here, I thought, why not come back, because there's actually stuff we like doing. A lot of walking around here, which is dead good, rather than a lot of people just come here to drink and stuff like that, because it's fairly cheap. But I tell you, mate, if you like going for walks and stuff, it's an ideal place. Proper underrated island to come to, and it's fairly cheap, you know what I mean? Hey, good little spot here. You could probably wild camp that. It's a big rock. Honestly, you could have a bivvy up here, mate. Little sit off. Tell you though, not a soul in sight, man. Only that guy up there. What's that? A lemon or something? Banana? Run the fields of Summerland and frolic in the sun. You've earned the right to freeze them. Your work and earth is done. Those tears for you may fall like rain. They are tears of joy mixed with pain. My love for you will never end. Enjoy your time in Summerland, my faithful loving friend. Nice, man. And a candle. I just seen it and I was like, what's this? And the paper was stuck in the rocks. Quite a nice little read, that. Probably about halfway down now. I would do those ones, but it's only quite small. There's nothing to really look at now. Yeah, you can see the beach we're going to tomorrow. It's starting to get busy with boats. Nice little spot, that, man. finally down a scrambly section. Only took about 25 minutes to come back down. And then we've got that nice and easy path all the way back. Gonna head back to the hotel, have a few beers by the pool, and then crack on again tomorrow down to that Papagayo beach. That was well worth going up. That was absolutely class, to be fair. Very underrated. Oh yeah, there's more stuff. Someone's initials. And another cactus. Tell you what, mate, picked a good day to walk that there. Just on 9k now. 2 hours and 50 minutes. And just been strolling back, but I'll tell you, mate, nice and cloudy, good conditions for it, and that wind, it's weird, but the wind's so bad here compared to up there. You can hear it now. It'll just because there's nothing around us, but up in the valley and stuff, it was sound. You can see the summit up there. It's a nice little mountain, that, mate. Well worth the trip up there for me. That was great. So I don't know if you can just see there, you get these little sand twisters, whips up the sand. When we lived in Australia years ago, we used to work on a solar farm, and they used to whip up all the time in the outback. When you'd be working, you'd have to get sent home from work. It was happening too much because they blind you and everything. Got to wear masks. You can see it going into the town there. Look at this beast here, just walking down the road. You can just fly wherever he wants, and he's just going for a walk. Good morning, people. So today we're off to Papagayo Beach. You can see the very corner where the land ends, there's a cove, and it is an absolutely sick beach we come to last year. Got a long walk down this coastline for about an hour and a half, and you just basically, the last time we come we walked the roads, but you can walk across the beaches up and down to get to it. So as I mentioned yesterday, I was on the mountain here and you could see it in the distance. It was Dom's birthday today, and she said she wanted to go up to the beach for her birthday. So we're just strolling down now, gonna go to shop and get some drinks and a few beers and stuff and head down there. But look at the day for it, man. But absolutely boiling. You can see the water, man. Water here is crystal. Looks really good for a bit of snorkeling around here. And we seen some divers yesterday. But fantastic, man. See the mountains in a lot of haze there this morning. But great round here, man, lovely. You can walk this promenade that goes most of the way to the hotel, and then behind that there's nothing really there. It's sort of like round the mountain where it's wasteland. If you would have seen yesterday, there was a dirt road running from the mountain and it goes all the way up to Papagayo, and they've got like a restaurant in the car park there. So you can see Fuerteventura in the distance in the mist. It's just about making out. I'm not actually sure what this building is, like a fort or something. It's quite cool actually. You can see they've repointed it at some point. A little cross at the top. Yeah, so we didn't walk this way last time. You've got to climb Mount Everest. Probably not the most appropriate shoes. Oh, we'll get up, but it's fine. Only a little scramble. Like sharp edge. It's alright, lah. Got a summer cairn up here. It flattens out. Probably not the best idea in a pair of sliders. But yeah, we've made it. Another 2 beaches to get across. Yeah, so we're just gonna go across and hop the beaches. See, here's a big car park with loads of camper vans. Seems to be a big thing here, camper vans. And we're basically going to where the yacht is, not far from there. Must be about 30 camper vans down here. This beach is nice though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Water looks dead blue. Nearly there, you can just see the car park and it's down in the cove, but this beach is unbelievable as well. That water is blue. That water is unbelievable. Now you can see a little down here, a little shelter. Yeah, so I just realised why that beach was so empty. Tom said to me, everyone's in the nud. And I was like, I think I need to go and get a pair of glasses or something. I didn't notice anything unusual at first. And I was thinking, that's a lovely beach that, quite empty. Yeah, everyone was naked. I noticed this the first time I come to Spain, when I went to Ibiza when I was a kid, about 20 years ago or something. It's quite normal, the all nudist beaches in Spain. I can't really show you on camera because I'll get banned off YouTube, but yeah, no wonder it was empty. The car park's pretty full. Just below this restaurant's the beach, and it is Sunday, so a lot of the people will be off work. Yeah, so that was a bit anticlimactic turning up then. We were just saying there, it looks completely different to when we came last year. And we've just been looking at pictures on our Instagrams, and I think what it was, it looks as if the tides was further in. And because of where it's situated, it looks like it's the black rock in the water. Makes it not look clear, if you know what I mean. And I've just been comparing the video from last year, and it looks as if it was well further in. So it looked completely different. Thinking in my head, what's changed so much since last year? The other two beaches looked unbelievable as well. I feel like I've bigged that up a bit there. It does look good when it's the ideal conditions, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy a few beers here anyway. Yeah, so update on the beach. The tide actually comes in and it looks a lot better. So I think last time when we came, the tide must have been right in. The water's so clear here, man. Gosh. It's actually nice, you got rock under your feet as well. That's so busy, even on a Sunday. Whew. Oh, lovely. Just seeing that on the map, down a bunker. Seeing some people had used it as a toilet, like. water is absolutely crystal clear. Be some good snorkeling here. We had to abandon the beach. Problem is the wind picks up and it was blowing all the sand into us, and because we'd been swimming it was just sticking to your skin. All the sand kept going in the top of my beer, so we've decided to just abandon it and walk back. But yeah, that beach is good, and as I say, I'll show you in a minute because the tide's come in a bit, it looks a lot better. Yeah, you can see in the distance the mountain we went over yesterday, and then the one we went over a few days ago. We've got to head back in that direction. Come to have a look over here. Yeah, some nice views of that mountain, man. There you can see how much this wind's picking up, Jesus Christ.